Namaste. The technique we are going to follow for relaxation is called the mind sound resonance technique. Very briefly, this technique uses sound and resonance to still the mind. MSRT generates resonance throughout the body by repeating a mental sound. What is resonance? Resonance is matching of frequencies. In musical instruments, when matching of frequencies between two instruments occur, for example, when you tune a veena with a tambura, resonance follows. In MSRT, we try to match the frequency of our audible sound with the natural frequency of the body. Sound is of two types, audible and inaudible. For audible sound, we need a medium, which is what science tells us. But yoga tells us that sound also travels inaudibly for almost like electromagnetic waves. So sound, inaudible sounds are continuously happening in the body where so many processes are going on, digestion, assimilation, all this generate inaudible sounds, and when we chant and match our audible with the inaudible, stilling of the mind happens. Audible sounds are called ahata, sounds that you can hear, and all sounds that are mental are called anahata, what you cannot hear. What happens is in resonances, when we match the frequencies of the ahata and the anahata, the mind starts getting stilled. We do this using a mantra. This helps us to gain mastery over the mind, it enhances the power of the mind, and finally it helps in silencing the mind. Now the mantra we use is the Mahamrutyunjaya Mantram. As the resonance produced by the Mahamrutyunjaya Mantram is very high, we also use Omkar. And in Omkar, Omkar is made up of three different frequencies, which is Akar, Ukar and Makar. Akar frequency is the lowest frequency, and then you have the Ukara, which is the medium frequency, and then you have Makara, which is the highest frequency. So, we are going to use this technique using Mahamrutyunjaya Mantram and the Omkar. In yoga, we call resonance as pratidhvani. Sound is called as dhvani and resonance is called as pratidhvani. So, once we start chanting the mantra both audibly and inaudibly, within the body, lot of changes occur in your pranic body, in your buddhi, in your prana and in your mind. There is changes happening in the way you breathe, in the way your mind thinks, and in the way your intellect functions. So, let us now get down to the technique of MSRT. Lie down in Shavasana or the corpse pose. What does that mean? It means lie down, keeping your feet apart and keeping your hands stretched out beside you with your palms facing up. This technique can be done any time of the day, not Shavasana, but MSRT can be done any time of the day, but it's done when you're calm. So the best part to do it is either when you go to bed at night, which is probably the best time because you relax and have a nice sleep and you wake up very refreshed in the morning, or you can do it at the break of day. As you get up, you lie down in your bed and you do the MSRT technique. So, let us get down to the actual technique. Lie down in Shavasana with your palms facing up and your feet slightly apart, and just watch your breath. What do I mean by that? Just see if the air is going into your nostrils and now it's coming out. You have never done this before, but kindly watch how you are breathing. Don't do anything, just watch your breath. Now, slowly join your hands together and chant the Mahamrityunjaya mantram along with me. Trayambakam yajamahe sugandhim pushtivardhanam urvarukamiva bandhanat mrityormukshiya mamritat. Unfold your hands and lay them by your side, palms facing up. Now, in your mind, make your resolve or make your sankalp in very few words. When I mean resolve, what is the most important thing in your life right now that you need to do? Do you want to get rid of fear? Do you have certain goals to achieve? Do you have certain targets to meet? Whatever it is, let it be very simple in a very limited number of words. Maybe 4 to 5. Now, take a deep breath. Inhale deeply and let your stomach bulge with air. Now, as you exhale, we are going to chant Akar. Ready? Inhale deeply. Since Akar is the lowest vibration, feel Akara vibrating at the level of your feet, legs, knees and the pelvic region. Akar vibrates also throughout your body since blood circulates throughout the body. But try to feel the vibrations in the lower part of your body. Now, once again, inhale deeply, and as we exhale, we are going to chant Ukara. Ukar in Omkar is the middle frequency. You feel the vibrations from the navel to the upper part of your body, that is the chest area. So from the navel to the chest area, feel Ukar vibrating. It also vibrates throughout your body from the tip of your toes to the top of your head. But the maximum vibration is in the chest area from the navel upwards towards the chest area. Just feel that. Feel vibrating inside you. Once again, take a deep breath. Inhale deeply so that your stomach bulges with air. Now as you exhale, we are going to chant Makar. Makar in Omkar is the highest vibration, or rather the frequency is the highest for and it vibrates from the throat area to the tip of the head, top of the head. Just feel Makar vibrating from the throat to the top of the head and vibrating throughout the whole body. So you have chanted A, U, and it is traveling throughout your body, through the blood, through the different organs in your body. Now once again take a deep breath, inhale deeply, and we are going to chant Om. Ready? Deep breath. Om. Feel Omkar vibrating throughout the body, from the tip of your toes to the top of your head, and from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. In other words, it is circulating throughout your system. We are going to repeat this whole process 2 more times. Ready? Take a deep breath. And as we exhale, we are going to say Akar. Once again, feel the vibrations, spanda we call it in yoga. Feel the vibrations of Akar in the lower part of your body, and it is also circulating throughout the whole body. Just feel that. Once again, inhale deeply. Now we are going to chant Ukar. Ready? Ukar is the middle vibration of Omkara, or the frequency is the middle frequency. Feel it from the navel up to the top of the chest area. And it also vibrates throughout the body. The maximum concentration is from the navel to the top of the chest area. Just feel that. Once again, take a deep breath. We are now going to chant Makar. Ready? Makar has the highest frequency, and it vibrates from the throat area to the top of the head, the crown of the head, and also vibrates throughout the entire body. Once again, inhale deeply, and we are going to chant Om. Take a deep breath. The opening of your mouth should be small. Feel Omkar vibrating throughout your body, from the tip of your toe to the top of your head. You are very, very relaxed at this point. The mind is slowly coming out of all the stress that it is subjected to. We are going to repeat this process once again. Take a deep breath, and as we exhale, we will say Akar again. Feel Akar vibrating throughout the body. Feel it, feel it. Once again, take a deep breath. We are going to chant Ukar now. Feel Ukar vibrating from the navel all the way up to the chest area, highly energizing all the organs, all the nerves, the blood vessels on the way. Matching, trying to find its way to match with the frequency of your natural rhythm, your biorhythm. Once again, take a deep breath, and as we exhale, we are going to say Makar. Makara vibrates from the throat area to the top of the head, the crown chakra, and it vibrates throughout the whole body. Just feel that. Once again, take a deep breath, and as we exhale, we are going to chant Omkar. Feel Omkara in your system completely. Now we go to the second part of this technique. We are going to once again chant Akar loudly, which is the audible sound, and then we are going to chant it in the mind with the same, matching the same frequency. You will open your mouth for A, but no sound will come because it is being said in the mind. Ready? Take a deep breath. We are first going to chant it loudly, and then you will chant it in your mind. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, chant Akara in your mind, but your mouth will open. Take a deep breath, and as we exhale, we are going to chant Ukar loudly. Ready? Once again, feel the audible vibrations of Ukar throughout the body. Once again, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, you will chant Ukara in your mind, but the mouth formation will be there for Ukar, but no sound will escape. Ready? Deep breath. Once again, the inaudible Ukar matches with your audible Ukar in the mind, and that makes your mind very, very relaxed as you are getting closer and closer to the rhythmic rhythm of your body, the mind starts relaxing. Now, once again, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, let us say Makar loudly. Feel Makara vibrating throughout your body. Feel it. Now take a deep breath, and you will say, as you exhale, you will say Makar in the mind, and your mouth will be closed. Ready? Feel the inaudible Makara matching up with your audible Makara, and that creates resonance in the body and the mind, stilling the mind. Once again, take a deep breath. Now we are going to chant A, U, Ma loudly, and the same thing we will do it in the mental state also. Ready? Take a deep breath. Feel Akar, Ukar and Makar. That audible sound is traveling from the tip of your toe to the top of your head. Now take a deep breath, and we are going to do the same thing with no lip movement at all, but the entire process is going to happen in the mind. Ready? Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, you will say A, U, Ma only in the mind, no lip movement. Ready? Now, the next part of the technique, we are going to chant the Mahamrutyunjay Mantram 3 times loudly, and 3 times you will say it inaudibly in your mind. Ready? You can say along with me. If you do not know the prayer, you can listen and learn it, but you should eventually be also chanting it. त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात् त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात् त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीय मामृतात्. Now take a deep breath, and we are going to chant the same mantra 3 times in the mind. Ready? After you have finished 3 rounds of mentally chanting the Mahamrityunjaya mantram, take a deep breath, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, you will say Omkar in your mind. We will do 9 rounds of this. Ready? Inhale deeply, no lip movement, only in your mind. When the 9 rounds of Omkar is over, let your mind drift into silence. Omkara comes from silence and goes back into silence. Silence is a state where there is no emotional upheavals, no mind-boggling problems, nothing happening, total silence. Now, once again, remember the resolve you made at the beginning of this exercise. Remember your sankalp. Just dwell on it for a few seconds. What did you have in mind? Just think about it. Now slowly join your hands together and we say a concluding prayer. If you know it, say along with me. If you don't know, you can listen to it, and as you learn it, you should be chanting this prayer. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Slowly unjoin your folded hands. Let them lay by your side with your hands facing up for a few seconds, feet apart.